Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Thursday, March 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen, I still believe we're going up to make a big wave C because we have a big A, 3 waves down for the B, and I think we're going up to make a wave C, which will most likely end up eventually looking something like that, all the way up, most likely around 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected off the bottom of this correction. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can notice some of the ABC corrections. I think that's an ABC right there. I believe this is a correction right here. And I believe on the shorter time frames, we have the end of a correction right there. And that tells me that most likely this is going to continue to make those higher highs and higher lows to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Telling me that I'm definitely looking for longs, and I'm looking for longs at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I believe this is the end of a correction. We do have a break of structure right there, which is a good sign that this move down right here was a correction also. Went right to the 78.6, made a nice impulsive move up, and it definitely has started to break structure from this correction also, telling me that I'm definitely looking for especially the next pullback for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see the structure break that we have right here. That definitely helps prove to me that this is the end of a correction right there. It looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do go down, especially after this structure break. The market usually does pull back after a structure break, which is actually very good for us because at the end of this next pullback is where I'm going to be looking for a much safer entry to go long for what I think is going to be a continuation of a big uptrend like I was showing on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, now you can actually start to see the trend for the 1. You can see the 3 waves down for the 2. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 3. 3 waves down for the 4, and an uptrend for the 5. Now this is definitely not taking out structure to the downside yet. We can't really prove for sure that this uptrend is over, but with this structure break and with that 5-way pattern, I do think we probably are going to make a pullback, but I think it's just going to be an ABC correction to this whole move up. And at the end of that correction is where I'm going to be looking to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So 3 waves down, right to a Fibonacci level of this last move up is going to be my next trade to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.